On this video today, I'm going to show you a viral method that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing very easily and fast as a complete beginner, without any skills, without investing any money, and without experience. This is one of the best methods that you can use to make money wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate marketing. There are many of them. You can join Digistore24, you can join ClickBank, or any affiliate network that you want. So make sure you join an affiliate network. In my case, I am using Digistore24, but if you want, you can join ClickBank, you can join any affiliate marketing network that you know. Once you join an affiliate marketing network of your choice, the next step is that you have to find a product to promote. On Digistore24, what you need to do is that you have to click right here, marketplace. Once you click on it, select all offers on affiliate marketplace. Once you click on it, you can see these are products that you can promote. As you can see, a whole lot of different products that you can promote. If you want, you can come on digital products and then select a digital product to promote. What we are going to be doing today is that we are not going to select a product and then find audience. We want to go on a platform and find out the products that are already trending, so that we can come on Digistore24 and then find a product based on that niche, so that we can also promote it to make money anytime we get people to purchase the product. So the next step is that you have to search for Pinterest trends. Pinterest trends is a tool that helps you to know the things that are trending on Pinterest, the things that are currently getting attention on Pinterest. So if a product is trending on Pinterest, it means people need it now. Therefore, if you get a trending item on Pinterest and then find such a product on Digistore24, you can promote it and then get a lot of sales because people are already searching for it. So once you are on Pinterest page, the next step is that you have to check the region here. The region is simply the country. So you can select any country that you want and then find out the things that are trending in that country on Pinterest. For example, this is United States. So we are going to leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see interest. So interest simply means the categories or the specific niches that you can target. So if you want things that are trending under education, you can select that. Things that are trending under DIY and crafts, you can select that. These trends are limited to Pinterest. So we are also going to promote the product on Pinterest. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to select the health and fitness. So click on it. Once you click on the health and fitness, you can see these are the things that are trending. You can see high fiber food list. You can see step ups for gluteus. So the gluteus is simply muscles. It's about muscles. You can see a whole lot of different other trending things on Pinterest. Now what we are going to do is that we are going to go back on Digistore24 to find out if we can get a product under any of these categories that are trending. So come back on Digistore24. First of all, we are going to check the food and drinks. When you come back on the Pinterest page, let me check. You can see high fiber food list. It is under health, food and drinks. So let's first of all search for food and drinks so that we can see if we get a product that relates to what is trending so that we can promote it. So let's click on food and drinks. So you can see Prime Performance. This is a supplement for male. You can see many other ones. Nitric Boost. So let's click on the sales page to see what it is about. You can see it is not about what is trending. So it's about sexual performance, and that is not what we need. So when you scroll down, you can see many other supplements, but these are not what we need. So we can also go to the second thing that is trending. You can see steps as for gluteus. So let's search for something like this. Now let's go back on Digistore24. When you come back on Digistore24, let me first of all show you. You can see it is under health. You can see it right here. So come back on Digistore24. Let's check the health. You can see health and fitness. Click on it. You can see these are the products. So now let me close the food and drinks. Under health, you can see these are the products. Amino formula. Let's click on it to see how it looks like. So let's click on the sales page to know what the product is about. You can see it is about muscles. You can see everything. So when I scroll down, you can see it is exactly what we are looking for. You can see it is about muscles. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to go back on Pinterest, and then since we have found a product, now let's click on the thing that is trending so that we can get a video to recreate and promote our product. You can see the search term for step apps for glottis is gone up about 900%. So it is really trending. People need it right now. So we want to find a video so that we can recreate. You can see these are videos about steps up, so we can select any of these ones. So let's click on the first one so that we can see how it looks like. You can see it's not even a video. You can see the first one is not even a video. Let's select a video and then see how it looks like. Let's select the video. You can see this is how the video looks like. You can see this is how the video looks like. It is trending. You can see it has got 5.7k engagement. If you want, you can change it. There are many of them. You can see there are many of them. Just select the one that you want. You can see a whole lot of different videos. Just select the one that you want so that we can recreate a new one and then promote it. Let's click this one to see. You can see it also has.
Exercises because everyone and their mother was telling me that I didn't need to.
You can see it has got 5.3k engagement. So any of the videos that you want, you can just select it and then use. Let's click on this one right here to see if it is trending. You can see this one right here has got more engagement than the ones that we saw. So you can see it right here. You can see it has got more engagement. So what we now need to do is that we want to create a video like this so that we can get people to view it and then click on our affiliate link. When you click right here, you can see visit site. So it is directing to their website or an affiliate product. So we are also going to create a video like this. Now just highlight the title, copy it. Once you copy it, we're going to come on ChatGPT. So let's open a new tab. Once you come on ChatGPT, you have to give your prompt. So you can write a prompt like this. Write a short script for this title, then you paste what you have copied. Once you paste it, click right here, send, so that it can write a short script for you. You can see the script. You can see the script. It is writing, but we don't need it too long like this. So let's add something like make it very short. Make it very short, something like this. Once that is done, it will write a very short one for you. You can see it has written a very short one for you. So let's add something like include a call to action to click on a link or something like that. Just write something like this. Include a call to action to click on a link. Just wait for it so that it will write a very short one for you. You can see it has included a call to action. Now what you have to do is that you have to use this script to create a video. So we have to look for an AI which can help us to create a video. So search for this website, hypernatural.ai. Hypernatural.ai is one of the best free AI tools that you can use to create a video. You can create 1-minute video, but if you want longer videos, you need to upgrade. If you also want many videos, you have to upgrade. But for the free version, you can create some few videos and then use them to promote the product. So just search for hypernatural.ai. Once you search for it, you can create your accounts. Once you create your accounts, click right here, create. Once you click on create, you are going to see something like this. Now you can customize and do whatever that you want. So for example, click right here. You can see we have different style. We have photographic, we have 3D animation. The rest are premium options. You can see classic, horror, you can see fantasy. You can see a whole lot of different options, but since we are using the free version, we can either choose fantasy or photographic. You can also choose classic horror. So in this case, I'm going to select photographic. So let's select photographic. The length, you have only one option, that is 1 minute. If you need other option, you have to pay. You can see right here the aspect ratio, we need 9:16, so select that. Now once that is done, you have to paste your script here. So come back on ChatGPT so that you can copy your script. Let's come back on ChatGPT and then highlight our script, highlight it, highlight our script. Once you highlight the script, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your script, the next step is that you have to click right here so that it can create the video for you. You can see the narrator, this is Alex. The rest of the options are premium, so we have no choice than to settle on Alex. Once that is done, click right here so that it can create the video for you. So just click right here. So just click right here, make video. Once you click on make video, you need to wait for some time so that it can create the video for you. Just wait for some time, it will create the video for you. Now you can see the video has been created. You can see it right here, it has been created. Now these are the clips. If you don't want any of them, you can change it. So just click on it and then change it the way you want it. So let's leave it the way it is. We are going to play the video. So let's click on
Want stronger glutes without the gym? Try this quick home workout. Start with 15 glute bridges, squeezing your glutes at the top. Next, do 15 squats, keeping your chest up and hips back. Then 12 donkey kicks per leg, and finish with 12 fire hydrants per side. Repeat this circuit 3 times for a quick and effective glute workout at home.
Now you can see that is how best this AI can create the video for you. Now what you need to do is that you have to click right here, export, so that you can export the video. You can post it directly on your social media. We don't need that. So let's export it. So click right here, start export. As you can see, that has been done. So it is going to export it to your device and you can use it to promote the product. So click right here, download, so that you can download the video. Once you have downloaded the video, the next step is that you have to come back on your Pinterest account. So come back, just create a Pinterest account. It is easy. So just create it. Once you create your Pinterest account and log in, click right here. You can see the plus sign, click on create. Once you click on that, click on create pin. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to upload your video. So click right here and then upload the video that you created. You can see this is your video. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your title right here. So we are going to check the video that we are using. So let me click on it again. Alright, once you have uploaded the video, just paste your title right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to enter your description right here. So you can go back on ChatGPT and then copy this script as our description. If you want, you can write a different description. So let's paste the script as our description. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you can see right a link. So come back on Digistore24. Once you come back on Digistore24, copy the link of the product that you are promoting. So we are promoting this product right here, amino formula. We are going to be earning $72.39 per every sale that you get. So click on promote now. Once you click on it, click on promote so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you get your affiliate link, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see tags. So let's enter some tags. So let's enter something like workout. So let's say workout course. Let's enter workout. Let's say exercise plan. Let's type workout, and then just select. Let's enter glutes. You can see, let's enter. You can see, just enter the tags that are related to the offer that you are promoting. Now once that is done, the cover is not nice. We want to get many people to click on our link, so you need to edit it. Click on it, edit cover. You can see this one right here. You can see this one. You can select this, you can select this, you can select this. Let's select this. Let's select this one right here and then click on done. As you can see, that has been done. You can see it right here. This is much better. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to publish your pin so that you can get many people to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you can see it is publishing. Just wait for it to publish. You can see it has been published. You can see it right here. Click on view so that you can see how your pin looks like. This is your pin. It is now live on the platform and you are going to be getting people who view it, and then click right here, visit. Once they click on visit, they are going to see the affiliate product that you are promoting so that they can order it for you to make money. So make sure you keep on creating many videos about what is trending on Pinterest so that you can make money for free wherever you are in the world. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.